Okay, paint fans, here we are, last day of the conference. Right now we are having demos, and this is demonstrating the canvas from American Easel, which has also sponsored our aprons that Chad is wearing right there. Right there, woohoo! And he is doing, how large is this canvas?
This is a 20 by 24.
20 by 24 canvas,
and it's all the way up to 6 by 6s.
And it's a Cradled birchwood panel. This is
the only ones I'll ever use.
Yep, that's all Chad will use in his work, and they are sturdy and beefy and amazing. They were also provided them in our goodie bags, which was an awesome thing.
That was an awesome deal.
Yep.
That was nice.
So here he is laying down a ground color, and or a ground coat, I should say, spinning it. And what's amazing is he's using the easel from Artristic. I'm just going to come down here, down low, and you can see how he's turning it around with ease. He's having no problems getting around to the edges. He does not even have to move. He can just stay right where he is. The tilt, that would be awesome for when you're tilting your pours. You really don't have to move. Look at the spin. You can have your own little spin table. And what kind of pour are you going to do for us?
I am going to be doing my triple ring pour.
Okay.
So it's 3 separate ring pour cups, one after the other.
Let me move over here while we're leveling off. Okay. What colors we have in here? This is gold.
There's
and
a red, a gold, an orange, and a white.
Okay.
And then these are, I made my own kind of tan, rich espresso, and gold. And then this one is a dark blue, a lighter blue, and then a sort of a light turquoise mixed with white and a bronze.
And you mind telling me what kind of paint you use?
I use Sherwin-Williams.
Right there. Sherwin-Williams house paint.
Metallics, either Deco Art or Folk Art.
Deco Art, Folk Art Metallics. Are there any metallics in this?
Yes, that's with the gold.
The gold.
And the rich espresso.
Okay. Now you can see we really don't have too much of a mess. I mean, just obviously what's going to fall on the floor.
And in my studio, this is perfect because it's all in one location.
Okay. Hi, Alyssa, and you're welcome for, we love sharing this. So he's doing a ring pour using the American Easel Cradled birchwood canvas on the Artristic easel that moves, spins, tilts. It does amazing things. You really have to sit down and read it because it can do so much.
And also they have an Instagram.
They have an Instagram
where
account.
They demo how to do everything and how to show it, and then they have artists that use them.
Hopefully, hint, hint, we can get them to come out to Seattle.
If not, I'll demo another one if they want to send me one.
That's right. Oh, there we go. First tree ring. Now he's going to tilt. And look how easy it is to tilt with this easel. He could let his hands go if he needed to. It's not like he's holding it and balancing it. Ring number 2. Right in the center.
And I love this easel because it actually has a level on one of the legs.
Yes. So you know that it's going to be perfectly level when you need it. Alyssa wants to know who the artist is. This is Chad Booth, one of our amazing instructors here in Orlando, and he's coming out to Seattle. Loved by all. Very talented. Hopefully we can get his YouTube page up soon.
Anybody who's really good at YouTube, let me know, because I would be more than happy to take any advice.
He needs a YouTube guru.
Yes.
So he's tilting the canvas on the easel.
Bringing it back to center is what I'm doing.
He's always trying to bring it back to center. And this makes it so easy, rather than trying to hold it yourself and turning it, especially a canvas of this size.
Oh yeah, trying to do this in my studio take me forever because I would have to walk around and do all of this.
Yes. Oh, that's a
That'll
knot,
be
that's a
tilted
knot in the
on
wood. He's tilting again, and again, it's so easy because of the Artristic easel. I'm telling you, y'all need to get one of these. This is absolutely amazing, and it's not that heavy. Easy to put together, easy to use. And Chad has hardly moved a couple of inches. He can just turn it around as he goes. Sorry for the glare, that's the lights. Nice to see everybody joining us live. We also have the raffle coming up shortly for all the attendees that were here. We have some great prizes to give away, and one of them does include, as a matter of fact, this easel that Chad wants. He's getting one, though, after the conference, now that he has played with mine. The easel, Cindy, is from Artristic. They're out of Australia, but they sponsored us this year and gave us this easel to give away as a prize.
ArtristicEasel.com is where you can order them.
Artristic, Robin was asking that, where do I get them? It is artristiceasel.com. You can let them know that you found out about it through this conference, or contact me. Might be able to get you a little deal. That would probably be better.
And even for the price, this is a well-made easel. Very sturdy. You could tell an artist was involved.
Yep, he said an artist was involved in creating this easel. And I can tell you, as a retired crime scene investigator who took crime scene photographs on a daily basis, I had an easel that was similar to this as far as sturdiness. And it's the best thing ever. This, as soon as I took it out of the carrying case, which it does come with, it was just as strongly built and sturdy. And it even has, I'll try to get into there once he's not going to get paint all over me.
Oh, come on.
I know.
And now I'm just stretching all these back out so you can see the different layers of. And this easel makes it so much easier. This would have taken me to do even the smaller ones that I did. I think they were 20 by 20s. I think I worked an hour. And I've done this.
You've done this for, it doesn't have a time on here, but less than 10
probably,
minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes. All because I pre-mixed everything else, which that's the longest part with this.
And he's just bringing it back to center.
And if somebody with non-painted hands wants to come over here and lock this for me, just twist it. Try to. It's on this.
Oh, he's leveling it off now and securing it. He brought it back to center. That is amazing. And he, if you were watching the video in its entirety, I don't think he moved 2 or 3 inches.
I stayed on this side.
He let the easel do the work for him by spinning.
I think the only
And
time
tipping.
I moved was just to check it out.
Yeah, he was just checking. So let me show you right here while the dripping is stopping down here. It's got this amazing base that the arms will stretch out quite far. Do you think they go out? They go out much further than
Oh
this?
gosh, yes. I only use the first section to move. So all you have to do is take there's some screws in there, you loosen them up, you take the edges all the way over,
I'm gonna tip this upside down so you can see.
and then you screw those in, and you just make sure you get this piece centered, which on the cradle burst there's no supports, but you would use your supports as your centers, and you just screw them in and you're done.
And if you need to balance with weight, to counterbalance, this is what I wanted to show you here. It comes down here and you can put, there's a piece of metal that comes down. And then you can put a sandbag or something for some weight. Especially if you're outside doing something and you have wind. That's how we would do it in the crime scene world. What did y'all think?
I'm I'm gonna go home and use mine.
Yeah.
I love this easel. I would take 4 or 5 of these and just use these in my studio.
Yeah, and look how fast you would be able to do projects.
And I can just imagine when doing like a flip cup, being able to do side to side and then spinning it around and doing I think it would just be so much easier because you could even stand on this side of it because of the tilting. Like have it even tilt down lower so you can see everything as it happens. I mean, this is a great easel.
Yeah.
And like I said, very well made.
Yep. Yep. Margot says she's got to go get one now. Yep. That's what was it? Artristic Easel.com. If you were an attendee at the event, you should have a discount for that. And if not, just
Actually, they're showing this Artristic.
is it just artristic.com?
So
Okay.
yeah, it's right here, Artristic.
Oh, get a hold of me and I might know someone. Wink, wink. So Kim loves this. Cindy must have it. Margot's got to get it. So you better put your order in before. They are out of Australia, but I believe it's free shipping to the U.S. Is on their paperwork.
And it's for the price. I think it's $298. You get all of this.
With a carry case.
So it's one of those things that it's a good price. I mean, for an easel like this, because you can use it to display.
Yep.
You can use it to just work flat.
Yeah.
There are artists that do brush work. They're using them because you can actually, instead of a drawing table that you would help, this right here, this is your drawing table because you can actually affix a long board and draw on that.
And imagine having this at a gallery show or something and using this. And you know how our abstract art is suggestive. You can always turn it. You can turn it 4 different ways and let someone see it in 4 different ways.
Definitely.
Just by the turn of a screw.
That way they're not doing this.
That's right. That's right.
You just say, hold on, let me.
That's right. Let me turn
And I
it.
think an easel like this at a show like that would even take up the art a notch because that's something you're not going to see. You usually will see either the flimsier, thinner ones. Because at a show I went to, they were very, very thin, and I had very small pieces, and they wobbled when people walked by. Something like this, I'd be proud to actually put pieces.
Oh, absolutely. Now let's get a close up here of her. Look, we even got some cell action happening now. And did you use any silicone?
No silicone.
No silicone.
But now, if I do use silicone, it's my Elmar's, and this stuff is fantastic too. You'll get.
Okay.
I'm
there
sorry,
it is.
it's all gross, but it's HELMAR. You can get it off of eBay. But it would create cells like this, and I used it in my first class. On a 10 by 10, people had cells that big around.
They did.
With no heat, no
Yep.
torching.
No torching, and it was 1 drop.
One drop in whatever colors they chose.
And that is a beautiful ring pour, triple ring pour by artist Chad Booth. So now we'll have to wait this to dry so that I can take it home.
All yours.
And we do thank American Easel for the Cradled Birchwood canvas, the panels. We appreciate them donating contributing as a sponsor and giving us all 2 samples of their little birchwoods. You guys like them? Nice and beefy. Absolutely. Thank you very much. And thank you very much to Artristic. So now I think we need to move on